Hello and welcome back again, my friend, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video, and as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily and forget about everything. If you are a swing trader, go only in the 4 hours. You're going to find every time section is it down. Go to the 4 hours and watch only our analysis in 4 hours. If you are a scalper and a day trader, stick with us only in 30 minutes. So let's start our lesson of today. So as you see here in the daily, what the market is telling us here till now in that level here, there is nothing new here. Even if we zoom it like that and we try to see what the market giving us, as we said before, we got here that inside bar here. Until now there is no breaking up here and no breaking down. For us, we staying sideways here, and me I tell it to you, the market is going to stay sideways here till Wednesday, till the Fed decision came. So there is nothing new here. And even if I show you my chart, as you see what I got here, I got that long-term trend or that long-term wage. We're getting broke here. Until now, the Bitcoin is showing us we are still going up slowly. It's going up, but it's slowly, a little bit slow. So there is nothing new here. You breaking here that level. So now either we're going to go back inside here, and that one is going to be fake out, or it's going to go back up. By the way, tomorrow we're going to analyze for you when the weekly candle finishes. So make close eye at what we're going to tell you. And those lines with yellow, people they haven't watching the last video where we analyze the options, where the big whales they put in the options for them, not the view of them. They said the Bitcoin all the week, that man, from last Friday till next Friday at 03 of February, will not break here 21k, and it will not break here in the top 25k. So the view of them, the Bitcoin is going to stay here in that level, or maybe it's going to make a small correction like that or going up, but the view of them, it will not break here 21k and it will not break here 25k. So that's the view of those people. So you need to take it seriously, because those people, they are not amateurs, they know what they're doing. I think everything is too clear here and here. As you see those levels, those people they thinking of the Bitcoin it will not break all the week. The first level is it here as support or a very stronger supply and demand zone here. Second one here in the top of that one, as you see it, they are very stronger levels. I showed it to you in the last video, but it's okay to repeat it to you again. So let's see what's going to happen. If it's getting liquidated any level of those ones, how it's going to be liquidated? If the Bitcoin go and breaking above 25k in Friday, you're going to see the Bitcoin going to 30k. If it fall down here and closing below 21k, you're going to see it going to the 10k, but that one it will never happen, because what me I told you before, people they've been with us for some time now. Plus we talking here about that white off we got here, those ones here. What else we said here? We said we got a very clear white off pattern now. It's need just that one to break here, that level here, that 25k, and to come to do like that. It's going to be the bottom here, that 15k. Until now, us we still waiting what's going to happen. Until now, we got everything it's showing us. The market is changing. Even the 200 moving average here, it's showing to you it started changing from down to up. But now there is no big volume. We're still waiting in Wednesday what the volume is going to tell us and what the Fed or Jerome Powell is going to tell us. And I got for you some news. Let me show it to you. That one here, as you see it, that one is very important news. As you see it, the Bitcoin ETF jumped 100% this month, outperforming all US ETF. That means even the SP 500. That means big whales they started buying the ETFs of Bitcoin and they're investing in Bitcoin. Let's make it like that. So that it's showing to you. Also, we are very, very, very close to the bottom. You can even read all the article if you want. You just go to coingap.com and you find everything there. And as you see it here, you see the ETFs, how big they went up. That's when big whales they started buying. Now we're still waiting just the Fed what is going to tell us, so we need to wait in a little bit. I think everything is too clear here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours for only swing trading. So people they being with us, they know those things. Also we enter a swing trading from 17k till where we are now 23k, and we still there till now. There is nothing was changed. And may I tell you before we got here two things. and the two levels here, that one in the top and that one down. We still waiting the Bitcoin either to break up, or we got a long position. People, they haven't entered. If it's breaking here, you enter long with us. If it fall down here and break lower here, we closing all our long position and we will open a short position from here. I think everything is too clear here. So for swing trading, there is nothing new here. Yes, you can make like that now, because now it's trying to give you here like a triangle here, but even that one it's not clear. Me, the most important, I'm waiting that break here, that one here and that one here in the top. If it doesn't get in broke, there is no entry long, no entry short, and you need to wait in what the market is going to tell you. And even now it give you here a very clear flag. Look at it here. You came down here and you do it like that, that a flag, same like how it happened here. And the Bitcoin is always working like that. It's working with phases. So when we are in the bull run, it's always 4 phases. I forget to show it to you, but you need to consider about those ones. So the first one, it was here. That one, maybe the second one. If it's breaking up, it's going to give you another one here. Then after that, it will going up. You need to be considerate about those ones. People, they been with us as we enter from down, from here, from 17K. And as you see it, it's still just resting like that. Then after that, it will going up. So till now, there is nothing new here. Unless if it came and break a lower here, that's another story. Or you can even do it like that. You draw it like that, an up channel like that. Even like that, you got an up channel. You touching the lower of it here. Now it needs to go up to touch the top of that channel to confirm for you the Bitcoin will go more higher. Till now, there is nothing. And forget about people, they telling you drama is going to fall down to 10K of blah blah. All those things, it will not happen because the Fed it started pivoting. Yes, the GDP is showing something different, but the Fed it started pivoting and it can increase interest rate more than that. If it increase interest rate more than that, it's going to take US economic to recession, and that no one wanted. So I think the Fed is pivot. But let's wait until Wednesday. Doesn't still a lot of days. I was going to see our indicators what they're saying. That one here, yes, we told you we got here a divergence like that. Very clear divergence here in the 4 hours as we stand in swing trading. But we don't got here any price action here indicating for you the market is going to reverse. So till now as we still waiting. And for the people they haven't entered what me I told you before here, I told you we still waiting. That one, that indicator of us to touch here, that uptrend here, because that one is daily. Going to be touched here. You're going to see another reverse going upward. Till now there is nothing new. You're going to see the market still sideways here. It will touch in here. That's middle here. Then after that, you're going to see it going upward. Till now there is nothing new. You need to wait in more. Now let's going to see our other indicator what it's saying. Our other indicator, as you see it, it's being here at the overbought area. And today, Saturday and Sunday, you know Saturday and Sunday, people, they been with us for some time. They know that there is no volume. So that way you see in the market's very flat now here. So that one is here at the overbought area. Level, you are in a very stronger level, but you need a price action. The only price action you got there is that flag here, as you see it. It's need the market to come to close below here for you to enter short. Here the 200 moving average. If it doesn't, there is no entry short. Also, we still in a uptrend here. There is nothing it telling us we are wrong, unless if the market give us a price action indicating the market is going to reverse. Till now there is nothing new. That's what me are telling you. So we need to wait in that break, either to break up or either to break down for us to enter long or short. Till now there is nothing new. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see 30 minutes if there is any scalping opportunity for today. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, the last video, what else we said here? We said here we got a head and shoulder here, exactly here in that level. And we said the neckline is it here. It's getting broke here. It went up till here. Then it go back down here. Top loose, maybe you put it here, down. Then the second shoulder here or the head, depending on your money management. And the take profit, we said it need to be here in the top of that one. So till now, it's showing you stay sideways here. And another thing, it give you here something different here, as you see here. It give you here a symmetric triangle. Even that one, if it's breaking up, it's going to go back up till here. If it's breaking down, it's going to fall down till here. But for long-term trading, there is no trading now. It's only sideways market. So you need to wait in the market where it's going to go. So you remember, look with me how I draw it. You came to that one, and you connecting those dots like that, and that one down, and that one here, that one here, and that one here. And you connecting those dots to get a symmetric triangle, and you waiting where it's going to break, either up or either down, because that one is not a continuation and it's not a reversal. It's working for both sides. It can continue upward and it can fall down. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying today. Our indicator, as you see it, it's being here at the oversold area. So now technically you need to looking for a buy opportunity. A buy opportunity, people, they buying from here, from that head and shoulder here, and they put in the stop loss dependent here and here. They stay in the market. And for the people they haven't entered, it just came now. Look with me how I draw it, that symmetric triangle like that. And you wait in the break. If it's breaking up, it's going to go up. If it fall down and break a lower here, you enter short. I'm talking here about scalpers and day traders. You need to remember that. And for stop loss and those things, you can join our course. The course is in the first comment. And you're going to learn all those things also we're talking about here. I think everything is too clear. So that's it for that video. See you in another video. Bye for now.